sine, cosine, tangent. These are trigonometric ratios, the common trigonometric ratios. So how do we find the sine? Like, you are given angle that you have to find it, but you will not write it as something as decimal 0, 0, 0. Do you know how to find it? Let's draw this triangle. The first one is gotten from this equilateral triangle. Are you seeing this triangle? And the next one is gotten from this triangle. First, it's gotten from a square that is being bisected. A square that is being bisected. And you can call this a right angle triangle. Is that clear? When it's being bisected, call it a right angle triangle. So the first one now, we bisect here. Let's say here is A, here is B, and here is C. Are you seeing it? Now we call here D. So each of these points, each of these sides are having 2 units. 2 units. You can do more research on why they use 2 as the unit in that equilateral triangle. So we have 2, 2. When this is bisected, each will have 1, 1, 1. So now this other one, it has 1, 1 unit on all sides. 1, 1 unit on all sides. So we have here 1, 1, 1, 1. Is that clear? So now we have this first side, that is the hypotenuse, and we have here, let me draw it here. This is the first one. So this angle here is what? Is being bisected. That is, here will be what? 30 degrees. And here is what? 60 degrees. Can you see it? So now we have 2 here as the hypotenuse and 1 here as the adjacent or opposite, as the case may be. So now to find sine theta, okay, let's find this angle side, this area, that is the opposite to 60 degrees. So we use Pythagoras theorem, and here is ADC. Is that clear? So now using Pythagoras theorem, we have AD squared is equals to AC squared minus what? DC squared. Can you see this Pythagoras theorem? So now AD squared is what you are looking for. AD squared is equals to what? AC now is 2 squared minus 1 squared, and is equals to 4 minus 1. So AD squared is equals to what? 3. AD is equals to root what? 3. Is that clear? So here is what? Root 3. So if you are told to find sine theta, sine 30 degrees, cos 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees, you can find it with this triangle. Everything is being given. There's no need for you to use the tables. Now this one is talking about, you have 45 degrees here. 45 degrees. Yes, too. 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So when you are told to find angle triangle of 45 degrees, let's find here first. Still using Pythagoras theorem. Now we have A, B, C. Hope you understand how I explain this. A, B, C. And we are finding AC squared. AC squared is equals to what? AB squared minus BC squared. So now AC squared is the hypotenuse. That is the longest part of the triangle. So now AC squared is equals to AB is what? 1 squared minus what? 1 squared. Now AC squared is equals to what? 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 squared is supposed to be plus. Sorry. Plus. So 1 squared plus 1 squared is equals to what? 2.